So hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about difference between DNA and RNA. The first difference is about full form. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid while RNA means ribonucleic acid. Second difference is about their structure. DNA is double stranded molecule while RNA is single stranded molecule. Sugar present in the DNA is a deoxyribose sugar while sugar present in RNA is ribose sugar. Talking about nitrogen bases, nitrogen bases are double ring purines or single ring pyrimidines. Adenine and guanine are example of purines, while cytosine, thymine and uracil are example of pyrimidines. Pyrimidine bases present in DNA are cytosine and thymine, while pyrimidine bases present in RNA are cytosine and uracil. So this is the basic difference between DNA and RNA, that pyrimidine bases is cytosine and thymine, but instead of thymine, uracil is the pyrimidine base present in the RNA. Talking about eukaryotic cells, DNA present in the nucleus in eukaryotic cell, but RNA is present in nucleus as well as in cytoplasm in eukaryotic cells. For DNA, purine pyrimidine ratio is always 1, but for RNA, purine pyrimidine ratio is not always 1. The basic function of DNA is to carry genetic information. It carries genetic information which passes from parents to their offsprings. DNA also contains chromosome and genes. They are present along with the DNA inside the nucleus. But RNA has three different types as mRNA, rRNA and tRNA. That is messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA and transfer RNA. And they basically involve in protein synthesis. Central dogma of life states that from DNA, RNA is synthesized, specifically mRNA is synthesized, and this process is known as a transcription, while from mRNA, proteins are synthesized with the help of process called as a translation. So this is the basic difference between DNA and RNA.